All right, everyone, one of the newest products that's an absolute hit at Unity Performance is the Totally Legal front plate mount. So we're gonna mount this on Unity D5, show you guys the process. It's literally a 2-minute install. So Junaid, take it away.
Okay, so for this one, you got the flat. I'm just gonna slide it in here. Slides in, fits in nicely. And you can slide it left or right, however you please. You have the 4 bolts without the washers. You'll see this is longer on one end, short on the other. You can see it right through there if you put the camera right through. So all you're gonna do is get your hand in there and you hold it back, or kind of the best way, put a bolt in. Get your hand in here, you can line it up. Look it from the top, you'll feel it catch from the threads, and then just thread it in. You already got it sitting. Now you're just gonna move it around and get the rest of the bolts in. And you hold it from up top, the bottom one, thread it in. You got 2 on the other side as well. And that one's in as well. And that's it. Just grab a little 10 mil, 1/4 inch ratchet. You can go by hand all the way with the bolts. You'll feel them snug up. Do that for all 4, and then quickly go in there with the ratchet just to snug them down, tighten them down so they don't fall off. You just gotta reach in there, get it on the bolt. You're just gonna go until you feel the bolt bottom out and get a little tight. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want to strip the threads or mess the bolt up. And then you're just gonna do that for all 4.
So just for reference, this is the flush plate mount, which sits flush with the bumper. When you get the angle plate mount, that leans a little bit forward over here. So it's not flush with the bumper, but it's facing the roads dead ahead.
And you have it tight.
That's it.
Nice and sturdy, not going anywhere at all.
There you go. And plate goes back on.
Plate, line it up, get one of the bolts.
This is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, guys, that's it. 2-3 minute install. Shouldn't be difficult at all. Obviously, you don't need to load the car up on the lift for it. We just have it up for some other items and said, okay, let's make a quick install video for anyone who asks.